Okay, here is the Paradise swing arm air tank and air panel and complete air ride video in a nutshell. Okay, so with the swing arm tank, you're going to put your pressure switch in there with these connectors. This is going to get run with the base plates and come up into the bike around here. The rest of the harness is labeled battery right here. This goes to your positive and negative of your battery. You've got a fused relay here. And then on the other side, 2014 and up, this is plug and play into the power and accessory expansion port, which is right here by the oxygen sensor plugs. If it's a 13 and down, you're going to cut this plug off, and normally we jump this into the blue wire of the rear lighting circuit. Okay, the air panel here, you've got your safety valve, air up, air down, holes in here for a motorized kickstand. On the back side here, it's all converted over to push to connect. The front side that says delivery is always goes to the shocks. The bottom side is the supply from the tank. Okay, and then we got the safety valve here comes in, goes into this Y. This top one is converted to 5/32, goes into the Y. It comes down into a run T, goes to each shock. Okay, and that's when you hit up, bike will raise up. Okay. Now the supply side's a little different, so this compressor will be mounted to your 14 strut cover back here. You're gonna run your wires up. There's quick disconnects in my harness that's labeled compressor. Okay, you just crimp those on and cut them to size. All right, and what we have here is this is the air inlet and outlet on the tank. It's community air. It's gonna come up. It's going to go into this Y. We're going to have one line goes all the way back to the compressor. One line goes into the supply side of the air panel. And that's it. So when you turn the bike on in ignition, what's going to happen here is the compressor will start pumping. When that tank hits 200, it'll automatically turn off. Okay? If you go into accessory, same thing. If the bike is off, this entire air system will not turn on. So it's really nice. You don't have to worry about it when the bike is parked. And that's it. That's the air ride kit in a nutshell. Depending on the year bike, how you're going to sneak these back up into the frame, you might have to swivel them down or swivel them up like I have here on this 13 frame. And then when you get in here, you might, cut these to length to go around certain things and strap them. Okay.